CAT exam replica question. CAT PYQ replica question. Actually, in mathematics, if the number of sentences are more, then the solution will be very, very easy. Then the solution will be very, very easy. The first thumb rule when you are solving an aptitude problem is you will read the question. You will read the question very, very carefully. First, read the question. Each of three friends, there are three friends. F1, F2, F3. Think of a number. They will think of a number. ABC, which is the product of two different primes. Which is the product of two different primes. Are you all with me? So, product of two different primes. Different primes. Okay, till here I understood the question. Which of the following could be the product of three numbers thought by them? So we need to find out A into B into C equivalent to K. The value of K we need to find it out. The value of K we need to find it out. If no two persons think of the same pair of primes, very, very easy question. Students who are logical thinkers should be able to solve. 120 it is 2 cube into 3 into 5. Am I right? 8 into 15 is 120. Step number 1, write the number as a power of prime basis. Write the number. Now I need to write it as A into B into C. If I give 2 into 3, why? Because A can be written as a product of prime basis, 2 into 5, and it is 2. But where is this prime number? 2 cube into 3 into 5. Every number should be written as a product of two different primes. 2 into 3 I gave it here. 2 into 5 I gave it here. 2 I cannot. 144. 2 power 4 into 3 square. So 2 into 3 I will give here. 2 into 3 I will give here. 2 square. It should be written as a product of two coprimes. It cannot be. 12100. 11 square into 2 square into 5 square. Oh, power is an even number. I got the answer. 11 into 2, 11 into 5, 2 into 5. 11 into 2, 2 into 11 into 2, 2 into 5 and 11 into 5. Are you all with me? 144 cannot be. Similarly, 3000 cannot be. 420 cannot be. Try to do it. 420. 420 is 7 into 2 square into 3 into 5. 7 into 2 I will do. 2 into 3 I will do. And 5. Where is the remaining prime base? Similarly, you can prove 3000 is incorrect. See here, what is he asking in this question? He is just asking you to read the question, understand the question, convert the question into a mathematical expression and solve it. And most of the students, just because the length of the question is more, they will think that the question is a very difficult question. Actually, the question is pretty easy if you understand the logic.